Hi, today in front of me REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch on, how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the wallpapers and style, then click to allow, once again allow, and you'll see here the wallpaper section. Just tap on it. Here we can see the album. So here we'll find the photos from our device gallery, previously taken photos on our device camera or downloaded from the internet, for example. Also we can see here the live wallpapers, the static ones. So just let's select one from this available wallpaper, tap apply and select lock screen. Wait a second after that. Now just let's lock our device and we can see that we just successfully changed our home's lock screen wallpaper. So also we got one more way how we can do that. Just first open the home screen, hold for a while the empty space on your home screen, and then on the left down corner you will see wallpapers icon, and by the same way just let's use one from these available wallpapers, for example this one. Click apply, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video don't forget to leave thumbs ups and to subscribe our channel.